All right, here's our checkpoint 4 directions. And like I say at every one of these videos, make sure you read the summary box first before you submit anything. It says there are questions in the introduction box, which is right here. That's why there's no link to it. You can see it from the screen. There's 2 questions in there. You need to answer them both in complete sentence. Explain the difference between series circuits and parallel circuits. And your house is wired in parallel circuits. I know that, even though I've never been to your house. How would I know that? Or another way of asking that question is, why are all houses wired as parallel circuits? If you're not sure of either of those questions, here's where you can find some answers. PowerFocus 6, Objective 4 slideshow or note guides. Here's a video or some different reading material that would help you answer those. After that, you have 4 questions in the questions box down here. You are able to miss one and get a C, but you do have to answer all of them. So if you look here, it says, here's question 1, 2, 3, and 4. Most of these come from the lab. So if you look at your lab handout, it'll help you with some definitions and answering about half the questions. Your data table will help you with 1. The only one you might need help with is number 1, but if you answered your introduction question well, it's probably pretty much done for you, and you could put something similar there. The last thing in that summary box said, complete our modeling box here. You made 2 circuits in your lab, an AND circuit and an OR circuit, so you're going to build the circuit diagram for both. Remember, when we get here on this link, we just type the part we need, and my old one's still here, in the search. So if I need a battery, I just type part of the word and it pops up. I click it and I'm magically in my hand. And if I click and hold, I can drag and add the wire there too. Remember, if you need a light bulb, it's called a lamp. So I can drag that and move it. And let's say I accidentally click my button twice and oh no, how do I get rid of it? If I just click undo up here, it'll get rid of the last few things I did. So once you complete your AND circuit, I'm not going to make it for you, I don't want to do your answer, but once you make your whole AND circuit, you need to download it so you can put it into Summit. Again, here's the download button. We go down to the third one, PNG, and I'm going to click that. Again, I don't know if yours will show save. I have a different computer here. If it does, fine, hit save, but it doesn't matter if it does not pop up. And then if we look at the bottom, it's popped up down here. Oops, I clicked it. You don't have to. If I go back to my checkpoint, it's here, my most recent download. I click it, I hold it, and I drag it to where I want it, and then there's the picture I made. You'll go back to the circuit diagram page, and you'll make your OR circuit. And if you forgot what these looks like, the pictures are on your lab handout, so you can use those as your guide. You'll download that, drag it into this box, and you are all set for checkpoint